Hello guys, thank you for stopping by in my YouTube channel today. I really appreciate. Today I'll be showing us how to make the simplest and the fastest vanilla cake. I call it my 7 minutes sharp vanilla cake recipe. First, let's look at the ingredients. Our flour, margarine, egg, sugar, baking powder and flavors. You can either use your hand mixer or your big mixer for this recipe, or even if you don't have mixer at all, you can use your whisk or turning stick. It is totally fine. You see the way I scrape the margarine here? I don't want to waste anything. So what you do is you get your mixing bowl. You start by turning all the 7 ingredients needed for this recipe inside. You turn your flour, your sugar, your egg, baking powder and the flavors. This butterscotch flavor is very important. It is very important. If you have not tried it, please try using butterscotch flavor for your vanilla cake. You will come back and thank me. After putting on the ingredients, use on your mixer. You start with a medium speed for about a minute. Then you increase it to the highest speed and then continue mixing for about 5 to 6 minutes extra. Then you will notice that the batter has doubled its size. The reason why I'm using this spatula to turn it is so that everything can incorporate properly. You turn it so that the ones under can come up. So once you notice that the batter has doubled its size like this, it's going to come out very fluffy and nice. And then personally, I like testing my batter. If I test it and I notice that maybe it's not enough, the sweetness is not enough, I just add extra flavor and that's all. And you put in your baking pan and bake for about 45 to 15 minutes. Thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit on the subscription button and turn on your notification so that you will get notified when we post again. Bye.